What is your place in the community?
It is Target.
A Target. And what was hard about building your Target?
Because we had to tape it.
And what was fun or easy about building your Target?
The door and sign.
What would be bad if we didn't have Targets?
Because people would have no stuff like toys and food, and it wouldn't be fun without shopping. Some people's favorite things is shopping.
What is your place in the community?
A apartment.
Okay. And what is hard about building your apartment building?
Taping it, making it stand up.
Making it stand up. And what was fun about building your apartment building?
By making these people.
Oh. What would be a problem if we didn't have apartments in our community?
People who just came from other states or countries, and they didn't have less, and they had no of this state's money or country's money. They could live in an apartment.
Okay, what is your place?
The police station.
Okay, what was hard about building your police station?
Coloring.
Coloring it. And what was easy about building your police station?
Taping.
Taping. What would be the problem if we didn't have police stations in our community?
People would be robbing banks.
What did you build? An arcade. What was hard about building your arcade?
Coloring.
Coloring. What was easy about it? What was fun?
Coloring.
If we didn't have arcades, what problem would there be?
People
Wouldn't have fun. What did you build?
Starbucks.
Okay. And what was hard about building your Starbucks?
Taping it.
And what was easy about building your Starbucks?
Coloring it.
If we didn't have Starbucks, what would be the problem with that?
People would not come.
What did you build?
We built a train.
What was hard about building it?
Like making a sign.
Okay, and what was easy about it?
Coloring it.
If we didn't have train stations, what would be the bad thing about that?
We wouldn't go to places. We wouldn't go to places.
Okay, what did you make? And then what was hard about making your Home Depot?
Taping it.
What was fun about making it?
Coloring it.
If we didn't have Home Depots, what would be the problem with that?
We wouldn't get metal. What does that say? Metal and wood.
Say that again louder. You wouldn't get what?
They wouldn't get meddling wood.
Okay, what did you build?
We built a house.
A house. And what was hard about building your house?
Redesigning it.
Redesigning it. And what was fun about building your house?
Building with cardboard.
And what would be the problem if we didn't have houses?
You wouldn't have your place to live.
Okay, what did you build?
We built a hospital.
What was easy about building your hospital?
We drawn the sign.
And what was hard about building your hospital?
Taping it.
What would be bad if we didn't have hospitals in our community? Hurt? What did you build?
We built Legoland.
What was hard about building Legoland?
Taping it.
What was fun about it?
Coloring and taping it.
If we didn't have Legolands, what would be bad about that?
People would not be able to practice building real stuff.
Good.